If your mornings are rushed, but you still want great tasting coffee, a single serve coffee maker can be a real game changer. Today, we're counting down the 5 best single serve coffee makers tested for convenience, flavor, and versatility. You can find all product links in the description below. In 5th place, we have the Bialetti Moka Express, a timeless stovetop brewer that's been delivering bold espresso-like coffee since the 1930s. This compact Italian classic is incredibly simple to use. Just fill the base with water, add coffee grounds to the funnel, and twist the top into place. In our testing, it brewed a robust cup in just a few minutes, producing rich, concentrated coffee that pairs beautifully with milk or creamer. The 3-cup version is perfect for a strong single mug, though larger sizes are available. One thing to note is that the handle can get hot during brewing, and on high heat, it's possible for it to overheat. Still, for coffee lovers who enjoy tradition, strength, and portability, this Moka pot is hard to beat. Coming in at number 4 is the AeroPress Original Coffee Maker, a lightweight and portable brewer that's ideal for on-the-go coffee enthusiasts. Weighing just 6.4 ounces, it's perfect for travel, camping, or office use. The AeroPress uses a modified French press method, letting you brew up to 10 ounces of smooth, rich coffee in about 2 minutes. It's also versatile. You can make cold brew by steeping grounds for several hours. Cleanup is quick, and the parts are dishwasher safe. The only downsides are its relatively small capacity and lack of heat retention, meaning you'll want to drink your coffee soon after brewing. For those who value portability without compromising on flavor, this is a fantastic option. At number 3, you'll find the Chemex Funnex coffee maker, a sleek and modern take on the classic pour-over method. With its double-walled glass design and silicone grip, it fits securely over most mugs and thermoses. We loved how consistent and balanced the coffee tasted in testing, smooth, aromatic, and free of sediment. Using 15 grams of medium ground coffee with 250 grams of hot water yielded a robust cup with light acidity. The Funnex is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. One limitation is that it requires Chemex's special half-moon filters, which may be less beginner-friendly and add to ongoing costs. Still, for coffee drinkers who enjoy the hands-on process and clean flavor of pour-over brewing, this compact brewer delivers exceptional results. Taking the second spot is the Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine by Breville, the smallest Nespresso machine, yet packed with their signature pod-based brewing technology. Measuring less than 5 inches wide and weighing under 6 pounds, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. With a push of a button, you can enjoy either an espresso or lungo in under a minute. The range of available pods means you can explore numerous flavors and intensities with minimal effort. While the machine lacks a built-in milk frother and has a small water reservoir and capsule container, its convenience and consistency make it a standout. If you're after barista-style coffee without the bulk, this machine delivers. And finally, at number 1, the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker earns the top spot for its unmatched versatility. This powerhouse can brew everything from a 9.5-ounce cup to a full 10-cup carafe, with settings for lattes, iced coffee, and rich specialty brews. The fold-away frothing wand creates velvety microfoam, elevating your cappuccinos and lattes. The machine offers 4 single-serve brew sizes, as well as options for travel mugs and multi-serve cups. While it doesn't make true espresso, its coffee concentrate comes impressively close in taste, especially when combined with expertly frothed milk. The only real drawback is its size. It's bulkier than most single-serve machines. But for those who want cafe-style drinks at home, it's an all-in-one solution worth the counter space. That wraps up our list of the 5 best single-serve coffee makers. From the timeless Moka pot to the ultra-versatile Ninja Specialty, there's something here for every coffee lover, whether you prioritize portability, tradition, or variety. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coffee gear reviews. All product links are waiting for you in the description below.